we are on our way to the property because this morning we are trying to get a coyote.
I had about enough of that coyote getting my grandpappy's chickens and scaring away all the ducks. That coyote's got to go.
There's been a coyote that's coming around the property, the same spot, around the same time every morning.
He's a lazy coyote. He comes out around like 9:30 or 10 o'clock. He's like one of the, like a modern coyote. Like he's like one of these kids these days, you know? These Gen Zs. Wake up late. They don't want to do nothing. They want the easy food. And this coyote's got to go. If there's going to be some coyotes around the property, they got to be waking up early at least.
At least.
Just getting my coffee going right now, so I'm a little grumpy.
Grumpy old man right now.
I'm a classic.
You're a classic. We got the FX Panthera to do the job today because Danny has his dope set from 50 all the way to 250, whereas I do not because, well, I ran out of time last time we went out. So, Panthera will be doing the job, but later we'll be hunting some squirrels with the dynamic. So, see you there.
Here. That lazy coyote's down there somewhere, I know it.
Okay, Danny is getting set up.
I'm tired of that coyote strutting around like he owns the place. Today we're gonna fix him.
Using the FX Panthera there, 30 cal. What slugs are you gonna put in them?
I got a 62 grain varmint knocker shooting at 975 feet per second. So good for about 124 foot-pounds of energy. So we should be good to take them down anywhere from like 100 to 175 yards. No problem. Just make sure you guys are always shooting in a safe direction and mind your neighbors, be respectful. So we're shooting this way and there's nothing over there. So we're good to go.
Good.
It's already 9:30, and usually the coyote is out by now from what I hear, but I don't know if he's still sleeping in or he came early this morning, which would be weird. But this coyote, he's doing coyote things, and I don't know.
Okay, so the hunt is not over. We are gonna drive down to the back and I'm gonna see if I can get my first squirrel on camera. We did a hunt last time and we got footage, but this Tacticam, man, we're trying for you guys. So we hope you appreciate the videos because it's a lot of work to try and get the shot on camera.
Yeah, first of all, it's like hard to just get onto a squirrel sometimes, let alone like turn the camera on and then make sure it's filming.
And then it has to be in focus, but then my visual is like kind of blurred, so
it's tough.
Yeah.
But I think we can get some today because we're here early now.
Yeah.
And we hear a lot of squirrel action down there. And there's tons of holes in sign out there. They're like tearing up the ground big time.
Yeah. Let's get them. Let's get them.
Let's get in the Peterbilt and let's go.
Hey everybody. Ready to do some hunting?
Ask them if they've seen the coyote.
Have you seen the coyote?
Hey, where's that coyote at?
Where's he at?
What time was he over here? Huh? You haven't seen him yet? Oh. Well, what time does he show up normally?
Oh. This guy.
He only comes on Tuesdays and Thursdays?
Are you trying to hop in for a ride or what? Yeah? Honey, you ain't gonna fit. Hi, Jet. Look at you trying to act like a big horse.
The horse whisperer. Look at her. Jump on one. Bareback.
Bareback?
Yeah, for the video. See, that horse will probably let you.
Which one?
Henry's horse.
Maybe.
Just jump on. I bet you it won't take off. 1, 2, 3. Oh, good horse. Good job. Just holding by the reins there. There you go.
I almost had him. Oh,
Good job.
it's okay. If I committed, I'm gonna do that again. If I commit, I feel like I could hang on, but I was like halfway off.
That was cool.
See the stuff I do for you guys? It's okay. That's more than Danny would do.
Yeah.
Oh.
Shit. Okay, now that we're done with the bronc riding, we're over here set up and we're gonna film from my gun here with the Tacticam, and then Olivia's gonna try to get a squirrel. There's a couple wood piles over there, and usually there's squirrels that come out there. How far is it?
That wood pile is 80 yards.
Oh, it's 80.
Exactly.
Okay. So you got your dials set correctly. Let's get him. Let's get him. 98 yards. Okay. We got a squirrel right over there at 98 yards. Let's see if we can.
Let's use the Panthera. Do a Tacticam.
No. You shoot him, and I'll film through my scope, but you shoot. Do you know what your dope is from 100 yards?
It's on my phone. Let me check.
Okay, we're all set up for the shot. Squirrel standing straight up. You on him? Okay, hang on. I'm gonna film with the Tacticam. So we think we might have shot just below him on that one. We're gonna wait here for a little bit longer. Maybe he'll come back out. Give us another good shot.
I'll feel so bad if I miss again, though.
Better not miss again. Let's pretend it's a Bud Light can.
A spam can.
Okay. We moved spots and there's like tree squirrels climbing around in these trees. And actually, it's tree squirrel season now. So we might get one and try to eat it. We've never had squirrel before, but I heard it's good. There's a tree squirrel right here. Get him. Aim a little bit.
Come on, what is he? Oh my gosh. It's right here.
Do it. Okay, good. Good. Get him. You missed him. I think he's still there.
I know.
Do you see him? Do you see him? I hear him.
He'll come back. It's really hard at this range.
Oh, he's on the tree. He's on the tree. He's still over there on the tree. There he's on the left side of the tree. Get him. On this side. What happened? He was like 10 yards away.
He was literally like perfectly in my view, but maybe because this is set for 50, like how much do I need to hold?
You might actually have to
Below.
just aim right on him.
I mean, I aimed right on him.
Or above him, maybe.
Wait, above?
Yeah, because of the way that it intersects. Something weird like that. But it is kind of hard to shoot that close with a scope. Okay, the little tree squirrel is coming back for more. He's right here on this side. In between the trees. He's climbing up right there. In the middle, right there. Okay, we see him again. You see him? Aim just below him. Or, I'm sorry. Just above him. Just above him.
Okay, wait, let me find him. Hang on, I had him just a second.
Oh shit. Okay. About right there.
Hang on.
He's about right there.
I'll get him ready.
Got him.
Hang on. Ready, set.
Oh. You got him. You got him.
I got him.
Dropped him. You got him, baby.
Oh my gosh.
He's over there.
I got him.
Hold him up. Grab him by the tail. Good job.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
It's squirrel season 2, so we can actually eat them.
Yeah, aren't tree
Yeah.
squirrels better?
Tree squirrels are supposed to be pretty good eating. We've never had one before, but we're gonna cook them up tonight.
Good. Oh, it's too bad I didn't have the Tacticam, but it's okay. Like, you know.
It was so close.
Yeah, it was really hard to see, even like on 6 power. Yes. Yes. Okay.
Bring them over. Okay, we see it. We see a squirrel about 75 yards off. Okay, hang on. Yeah.
I can see where that went. That was not it. That was what, like 80 yards, I think.
I think you missed him.
Easy. I don't know. Gotta go double check on that one. Did you hear the squeak?
He squeaked.
Wonder if the video picked that up. Let's go. Oh my.
Don't show that.
Got him.
That was a 62 grain slug traveling at 1,000 feet per second.
Damn.
Yeah. Well, I think that's gonna do it for today's hunt. We didn't get that coyote, but we will be back. I don't know what happened. I guess they've been seeing him out here a few days a week around 9 o'clock. But I guess he's just walking around like he owns the place, apparently. So one of these days we're gonna catch him and evict him.
So obviously we got dinner tonight. We got this tree squirrel that we're gonna try. I've never had it before. Have you?
Nope.
So this will be a first. We're gonna cook it up. So this bad boy ain't going to waste. But I'm just really proud of the dynamic today because, I mean, that was a close range shot. The other two I missed, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I don't have my dope properly set just yet. It was kind of like the excitement of it all, like let's just take the shot. But I will get it set up, and next time we come out hunting, there's gonna be a lot more kills under its belt.
Did some bronc riding, that was fun.
Yeah, maybe next time if the horses are down here, we'll do it again. Gotta get back on.
Yeah, but that's gonna be it for today's video, and we'll get that coyote next time, I guess.
Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you later.